The Melink intelli-hood has been making kitchen hoods smart and energy efficient for over 25 years. A kitchen without intelli-hood wastes expensive conditioned air and energy through the hood's exhaust fan. We've applied our experience into our controls to enable kitchen operators to enjoy up to 97% of fan energy savings and up to 70% savings in conditioned air. This is achieved by utilizing proprietary optic and temperature sensors, resulting in greater energy savings by visually monitoring cooking activity. intelli-hood is smart. It automatically adjusts fan speeds according to cooking activity. Once the cooking equipment is turned on, the system detects the heat and sends a signal to the brains of the intelli-hood system. This system controller processes the information and tells the fan to increase speed according to the demand. When full cooking begins, the infrared optic sensors detect the smoke and vapors. This technology ensures quick removal of all effluent and maintains capture and containment. When the cooking activity slows down, the fan speed also slows down to the lowest possible level to optimize energy savings. To achieve optimal savings, the system is equipped with advanced algorithms to operate the fans at a minimum speed of 30 to 50%. intelli-hood is simple to operate. At the beginning of each day, the cook presses the light and fan switches on the touchpad, and from then on, everything is automatic. intelli-hood can interface with building management systems, or the user can allow the system to automate itself based on temperature and smoke. The system controller can be monitored via Ethernet 24/7 for performance verification and remotely programmed from anywhere in the world. intelli-hood is UL 710 and UL 2017 listed for installation in any manufacturer's exhaust hood in both new construction and retrofit applications. intelli-hood is safe. Backed with fail-safe controls that are unaffected by grease-laden air and without modulating dampers, intelli-hood is one less liability in the event of a kitchen fire. intelli-hood is supported with a national network of Melink-trained technicians to install, commission, troubleshoot, and monitor your system. Our experienced team can assist you in the project design and provide energy savings analysis for each project. Choose quality, reliability, and experience. Specify Melink's intelli-hood controls in all your existing and future kitchens and experience beneficial energy savings for your brighter tomorrow.